shock. It's time to start word questions. It's already got a picture. However, Brazil. Up here. Rodrigo records the angle elevation to the top of the flagpole. Then Rodrigo walks towards the flagpole about another 20 metres. And now looks up and the angle has changed. Can we please remember that the closer you are to somewhere and you're looking up, the angle is going to get bigger. If I walked up a bit further, the angle might be 70 degrees. That might be useful for those questions where people don't give you the diagram at the start. So, what do we want from this question at the end? How high is the flagpole? X. So, hey, this is how the question is going to finish. I've got a lovely right angle, I've got a 53 degrees, and I've got an X. Wow. This looks to me like hypotenuse and opposite. This looks like sin equals O on H. Or maybe the bottom, tan. Maybe it's tan. However, I don't have any of that information yet. So I need to find something else. This triangle's only got one number in it. So what's going on with the other triangle? In fact, there's not a lot of information on here at all. I've got a 20. Let's have a look. Time to get a bit clever. If this is 90 degrees and that's 50, this one at the top, it's going to be 90 take 53 take, which is like 47. Okay, 47. This one and this one got to add up to 90. Oh. If this is 28, and that's a right angle down here, the big triangle, this has got to be, it's 90 take 28. It's got to be a 2. 62. And this is 62. So that one's 47, 62. And here's the big one. Looking at the bottom, let's zoom on in. Beep, beep, beep. Well, here we are. We've exploded it out. That's the word they use when they do that. Hey, if this is 53, I hope everyone's cool. This is 180 take 53. A la 127. 7. 127. So, this has been working out everything I can get without having to do any formulas. I've worked out all these different angles. Right. Let me just check. 53 and this one makes 90. So 53 and 37 makes 90. 37. Cool. All right. Cool. 90 take 28 means this whole angle is 62. So it's all 62. What is it after I take away the 37? Well, it's going to be 5. 37 take 52 is 15. Is it? It's getting late. 62 take 37. It's clearly 25. 25. So what I'm saying here is this whole bit is 62. So this part is 25 and this part is 37. Now I'm ready. So I'm going to wipe out these intermediate steps. Let's have a look at the end piece. In order to get this X, I'm probably going to need this hypotenuse. Let's make a little star here. Let's call this Y. Let's look at this picture. Y, 20. I need that one and this one. 2 sides. 2 sides is sin rule. Okay, let's try the Of all these angles, what is it that I need? I need those two because they're opposite the sides I want. A, little a, B, little b, big B, little b, big C. Sin A on sin A equals B on sin B. I'll try and write bigger. So Y, I called it Y because I'm using an X over here. So I want to use the same letter in two places. So the next letter after X is Y. Sin 28 equals 20, if these numbers were more different, over sin 25. So Y was 20 times this one, multiply, not X, divided by sin 25. Hello, Mr. Calculator. 20 times sin bracket 28 bracket divided by sin bracket 25 bracket. Y equals 22 degrees. 22.21 not degrees because it's a length. So I've gone to all that trouble. Let's bring that number across, put it into my hypotenuse triangle. This is my finishing plan all along. So on the next line over here in the green is that sin 53 equals the unknown over 22.217. When we have the X on top, we multiply the other two numbers. Here's a little blast from the past. Let's do multiply. Okay, so I do have that number still in the calculator, so I'm going to shift answer times sin 53. So I get a number of 17.7 meters. Flagpole, 17.7 meters. Pretty tall for a flagpole.